Hello! Welcome to your first English lesson. I'm so happy you are here. Today, we're going to learn some really important words, greetings. So let's get started. So, here's what we're going to do. First, a little welcome. Then we'll learn 3 new greetings. Hello, hi, and good morning. And at the end, we'll practice all of them together. It's going to be easy and I think a lot of fun. So, welcome to Lesson 1. This is for beginners, so please don't worry. We're going to learn some very simple and very useful English words together.
Okay, are you ready to learn your first English greeting? We're going to start with a very common one. The word is hello.
So, what is hello? Well, it's pretty easy. We use hello when we meet someone. You can say hello to anyone, your teacher, your friend, anyone. And you can say it any time of day. It's always a good word to use. Now it's your turn to try. I will say the word, you listen, and then you say it. Ready? Listen. Hello. Good. Let's try that one more time. Try to make a nice sound in the middle. Oh, hello. Yes, that's it. One last time, just to be sure. Hello. Okay, let's learn our second greeting now. This one is a lot like hello, but just a little different. The word is hi. So, hello, hi. What's the difference? Well, hi is more friendly. It's casual. You can say hi to your friends or your family. Hello is good for anyone, but hi is perfect for people you know well. All right, let's practice this friendly greeting. Just listen and then repeat after me. Hi. Great, it's a very short word, right? Let's do it again. Hi. Perfect. One final time and say it with a smile. Hi. You are doing so well. Now, we have one more greeting to learn today. This one is a little special because we only use it at one time of day. The greeting is good morning. So you only say good morning in the morning, right, when you wake up. Or when you see someone before lunchtime, you can say good morning. Okay, this one has 2 words. Listen carefully and say both words after me. Good morning. Very good. Let's try that again. Listen for the 2 parts. Good morning. Wonderful. Let's say it one last time, all together. Good morning. Wow, you have learned 3 new greetings in English. That's fantastic. Now let's practice all 3 together so we can remember them. Okay, I will say each greeting, and I want you to say it after me. Ready? Here we go. Hello. Hi. Good morning. That was really good. You did a wonderful job today. You know, the best way to learn English is to practice just a little bit every single day. And that's all for our first lesson together. Thank you so much for learning with me. I can't wait to see you for our next lesson. Before you go, I have a small challenge for you. Who will you say hello to today? Try to go and use your new English words. It's the best way to learn. See you next time.